I'm doing a videotape. Okay, do a trick with it. Let's see you do a trick. Woo!
Because they look like they want food. I had food. No, he doesn't want food. I think he wants water. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. That one is hungry. I mean, a big one. That one.
They're so cute, aren't they, Audra?
Have food. No. Run back.
So cute.
They look so cute.
Be careful the way you're holding them. Be real soft.
Really soft.
Be soft. Use 2 hands.
2 hands. Like this.
Yep, 2 hands like Audra. Good, Troy.
Good.